Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing Wealthsimple, Moomoo and Questrade. So let's get right into it. Wealthsimple is perfect for beginners. It has no account minimums and super clean interface and automated investing options. It focuses on minimalism and great if you want hands-off investing. So if you think of long-term growth here, it is great for passive investing and growing your portfolio with robo-advisors. If you talk about pricing and monetization, it has no trading commissions on a stock or any ETFs in Canada, which is perfect for beginners. Now, if you compare Wealthsimple with Moomoo, so it is a bit more advanced. It is better for those who understand charts and trading tools. It has a feature rich with advanced charts, new feeds, and custom alerts, which is ideal for active traders. Now, it supports active growth with real-time trade and zero commission trades. It offers $0 commission too, but fees apply for international marketers. Now, at the end, we'll be talking about Questrade. So, Questrade offers both basic and pro-level features, but the sign-up process and interface are a bit more complex. It lets you customize everything from your dashboard to order types, which is great for detail-focused investors. Now, it supports our RRSPs, TFSAs, and advanced portfolios, which is ideal for long-term serious investors, but it charges small commission on stocks, but ETFs purchases are free, and the platform offers deep tools for the price. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing between Wealthsimple, Momo, and Questrade. Thank you so much for watching.